Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the email ARC record for your Shopify and Gmail. So basically, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your sender email and start your setup process. To do so, we need just to go to the settings and basically we need just to go to the general option or general panel, and from here we will find my store. We go to the store mail, or we can just go to uh, the notification, and here we will find the sender email. So basically you can try to use any other domain, and basically we are just going to click on this. We will need now to verify or to authenticate our domain with Shopify. So basically click on authenticate, and from here you will find these records. So basically we have the record 1, record 2, etc. So all we need to do now is to search for the txt record or these cname records. So basically now, you will need just to go to your domain provider or your cPanel, and you will need just to create for new records for your domain provider. And basically, you will add for record of type CNAME, and you will need just to authenticate the domain and need just to have this email pending. So I'm just going to review and make sure to go to your host provider and click on authenticate domain after you add in these records in your domain cpanel, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.